An official with the Port of Barcelona in Spain said on Monday that a new train route between the port and North China's Shanxi province is set to boost trade links between the two countries. On March 22nd, the first train of the China-Europe Railway Express from Shanxi to Barcelona departed from Taiyuan, the provincial capital of Shanxi. The train traveled for 35 days, covering over 12,000 kilometers, and arrived safely at the port of Barcelona on April 26th. The train left Shanxi with 50 goods containers, of which about half were unloaded in Germany, with the rest arriving in Barcelona for distribution elsewhere in Spain. The cargo carried includes castings, furniture, canned goods, auto parts, daily necessities, and more.
Aquest tren s'uneix a l'aposta que el govern xinès està fent per Barcelona, no només per entrada a Europa, sinó per distribució al Mediterrani. La Xina és el soci comercial més potent que tenim. Per tant, qualsevol connexió amb la Xina és molt benvinguda i contents d'aparèixer en el mapa d'aquesta ruta impulsada pel govern xinès.
The China-Europe Railway Express has connected 112 cities within China, passing through over 100 cities in 11 Asian countries and regions, and reaching more than 200 cities in 25 countries and regions in Europe. It has become a flagship project of the Belt and Road Initiative, which aims to facilitate the international flow of goods.